Next step is to release this clay, this bowl, off of this bat. If we leave it on, what happens is it shrinks as it dries. It shrinks a little bit more. And it shrinks everywhere but here because we didn't release it from the bat. So that's one important thing that we're going to do. And with this, I'm just going to touch this lip up a little bit with my sponge like this. Round that off. Remember, we don't want any sharp edges. Boom, just like that. Our cutoff wire. What we're going to do, you can use your thumbs, you can use your fingers. Again, whatever is most comfortable for you. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our fingers with the wire, cutoff wire down on the bat, and we're going to press down on the bat. And we're slowly going to bring it toward us. And once it's cut, stop the wheel. And then I'll pick up the wire. Again, let's clean this off now. Take care of that. And I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to come down here like this. Pressing down on the bat. Pull it toward yourself. Stop the wheel and pull off. Clean your wire tool off. And now I've released the bowl, the clay, off the bat, and it'll be able to shrink without cracking, I hope.